Hello children, so we are continuing with the lesson adverbs, and in the first video I told you what is an adverb, the position of an adverb and different types of adverbs. We were discussing about the different types of adverbs and how an adjective can be changed into an adverb by adding ly or illy. So today we will be doing the next adverb, that is the next type of adverb, which is adverb of place. So what is an adverb of place, children? Adverbs of place tell us where or at what place. They tell us where or at what place the action took place. So it tells you about exactly the place where the action took place. It answers the question where. Okay. I looked for my puppy everywhere. So you were looking for your puppy. Which all places did you look? You looked everywhere. So looked is the verb, and which all places did you look? Everywhere. So everywhere is the adverb. We are going out. Where are you going? The word out is the adverb. Is it clear? Please come in. So which place should you come? You should come in. So this is the adverb. She ran upstairs to meet her mother. She ran where? Which place did she go? She ran upstairs. So this is the word adverb. She ran. Ran is the verb. And the word describing which place did she go? Where did she run and go? She ran upstairs to meet her mother. The next example is, the child could not be found anywhere. So they were searching for a child, and the child, which all places did they find? They searched maybe everywhere, but it could not be found anywhere. The word anywhere is the adverb. So an adverb of place tells you the place where the action took place. Now when you are doing your exercises, in exercise E, the first question is, the child could not be found anywhere. This is from your textbook only, children. So in this exercise, the sentences are given and you are supposed to find the adverbs of place. So here the answer is anywhere. So you have to solve all the questions. You have to underline the adverbs of place in this exercise. Now I move on to the next type of adverb. So the third one is adverb of time. Adverbs of time will exactly tell you the time where the action took place, the time when the action took place. Adverbs of time tell us the time of action. They describe the time of action, when or when the action took place. The word is when, which refers to the word time, which time the action took place. So obviously they will answer the question when. When did it happen? Now. When will it happen? Later. So the time is described in adverb of time. A few examples are, the meeting began early. This is the adverb of time. She will come tomorrow. When will she come? Tomorrow. So this is the adverb of time. The children are sleeping now. When are the children sleeping? They are already sleeping now. Recently, I spoke to her. So, the word recently. When did you speak to her? Recently. So, this is the adverb. So, an adverb of time tells you the time when the action took place. Which are the words? You can use early, tomorrow, now, recently. Many other words are there, children. So, you have to do the exercise F. In exercise F, they have given you a few words like yet, at once, soon, now, tomorrow. All those words are given and you have to pick up the correct adverb of time and fill in the blanks given there. So now we move on to the next type of adverb. Let's see which one is that. The fourth one is adverb of degree. Adverbs of degree is the fourth one. They indicate the intensity of action, in how much intensity the action was done. Adverbs of degree indicates the intensity of action and answers the question how much. Okay, the story was very boring. How boring? Very boring. So this is the adverb of degree. She is quite fast in her work. So here, this is the adverb. How fast is she? Quite fast. Okay. The tiny bird was hardly visible. So this is the adverb. Hardly visible means almost not visible only. She almost fainted when she saw her medical reports. This is the adverb. So they tell you how much, the intensity of the action. Almost fainted. That means she was about to faint. She didn't fully faint, almost fainted. Hardly visible, quite fast, very boring. This shows the intensity of the action. So I told you adverb can describe a verb, an adjective or another adverb also. So how, to what extent, how much is described in adverbs of degree. The words are, which are the words here children? Very, quite, hardly, almost. Is it clear children? Now let's see the next type of adverb. Next we have adverbs of frequency. So adverb of degree told you how much. Adverb of frequency will tell you how often, how many times. Okay. Adverbs of frequency, they indicates how often, how many times you can say, how many times, how often an action takes place. They answer the question how often. Adverb of degree was how much. Adverbs of frequency is how often. He rarely visits his grandparents. That means almost. How many times if you say? Very rarely. Okay. So this is the adverb. I often help my mother in her household work. So this is the adverb of frequency. Often means very regularly you help, isn't it? She seldom pays us a visit. This is the adverb of frequency. I always pray before going to bed. So adverb of frequency, always, seldom, often, rarely. They generally answer the question how often. You shouldn't get confused between adverbs of degree and adverbs of frequency. Now, in your textbook in exercise G, they have given some words. Let's see what is exercise G. They are saying, read the following sentences and fill in the blanks with adverbs of frequency or adverbs of degree. Two options are given. You have to pick the right answer and write it in the given blank there. They had dash, met before. Which word will come children? They had never met before, isn't it? They had never met before. It cannot be they had quite met before. That is wrong. They had never met before. Second question. The soup was dash hot. The word will be extremely hot. Can you write once hot? No. The soup was extremely hot. So you should be able to complete the exercise G. Just choose the correct word and fill in the blanks given there. Is it clear children? Thank you children.